What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthylicious Bite. We are starting the healthy breakfast series to replace our regular sugar and carb loaded breakfast. We are making tomato bun sandwich, but it's not an ordinary sandwich. Now let's talk about these tomato buns. It is juicy, delicious, guilt-free bun with just under 10 grams of carb and no sugar. And these are really easy to make. Hello there! If you are new to our channel, welcome and make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell to discover healthy and delicious recipes. To make this awesome tomato bun, we need 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them into 6 thick slices, remove extra moisture and keep them aside. Now let's dress these tomatoes into crunchy panko. Panko is nothing but the Japanese breadcrumb, which is very light and crunchy. This is a 3-part process. We have 4 tablespoons of panko. To this, we are adding chili flakes, some Italian herbs, and salt to taste. In a separate bowl, let's take the half of the gram flour. If you like, add some seasoning or keep it plain. Add water to this to make the thick batter like a pancake. The remaining gram flour and dust the tomato in it. Make sure it covers from all the sides. Now let's dip it into the wet batter. Then into the breadcrumb and repeat this step for all 6 slices. Now let's pan fry these goodies. To the hot skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is warm, let's pan fry these tomato slices. Add the tomato slices to the hot pan or the griller. At the same time, we can also saute our mushrooms and keep them ready. Cook on the both sides until they are golden brown. All cooking is done. Now let's assemble these buns. We can make this bun sandwich with variety of toppings. We can make it light by adding some veggies and cheese for the breakfast, or add your choice of protein and enjoy it for the light lunch or supper. Today we are keeping this simple with some veggies and cheese. Take the slice of tomato, spread some avocado dip or green chutney. Add a slice of low-fat cheese and mushroom. A sandwich or bun is actually incomplete without its dripping sauce. So let's drizzle some chili mayos. This is our homemade veg mayo. We can also add little bit of greens. I'm adding spinach here. You can add lettuce or your choice of veggies. Click the recipe card if you want to make our version of veg mayo. Finish this with a slice of tomato and enjoy the juicy goodness. If you make your own version of tomato buns, then don't forget to share in a comment and tag us on the Insta. These tomato buns could be really awesome party appetizer. Just make them in advance and assemble on the day. That's all for today. If you like the recipe, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for staying on healthy side. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a healthy, delicious day.